Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. How are you? I hope people are great and today. Because, guys, actually, today is my very sad day because actually I have fever so many days. But actually, I took medicines from the medical store, but actually, no including. But actually, I'm battling and fever and so many days because it has been complicated in my life because I am learning English as well. But guys, we have many responsibilities and caring family and everything in the family. But even then, I will speak. I will actually I wanna to do improve my English communication skill so very well. but but I hope that I have determined myself because I have speak English always and practice English and communication is skill improving and these days because I would like to say that because guys and this time the winter season started the very highly and outdoor the so many fog and wind is blowing weather is not is good and but and this time the sunrise here so many birds flying the sky actually I'm here on the roof and practice and English because uh, who people want to learn English and improve your English, you can join me. And because guys, actually I am learning English and improving English and these days because I have a lots option for the enhance your English in your future, but you can't speak English. But I know that you want to speak English, but you have suddenly confused. You are not able to understand to how to speak English. That is the main reason, guys. And you should not panic for the speak the do one thing and please go alone place and speak and you can ask and yourself and why you are not is the speak English, why I am not speaking English, what is the reason. The reason means guys have a lot of people have hesitation and feel shy always to people how to speak, so how to speak English actually confident level is very low to see anyone. What is the reason? Actually, even then you can speak English, so little bit mistake, a lot mistake when when you start English journey, a lot's mistake. Actually, I tell you guys, actually I was rejected 5 times in my job in Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, a lot option because actually my English is not good. It was not good my English and that time because actually after that I am learning English and improve myself. Actually I want to enhance my vocabularies and grammar as well as everything in my future. But actually I have promised myself I will speak without anyone. I will speak English alone place. I will speak English. I will improve myself 30 days. I have determined this is my target is I want to become a teacher in my future. Please guys subscribe. But guys, I would like to myself because actually my name is Anil Maurya. I am living Ayodhya, but I'm living in Delhi. Actually I'm doing work with my family. Family is my wife is doing the work in Delhi right now because guys therefore I have a lot responsibility, the care, breakfast, cooking, and my kid. I have the one kid, so care to school. She goes to school every day because actually I prepare and so many days actually uh, a lot pollution in Delhi. So Indian's government announcement already the children's you can online study. So guys, actually around 6. So guys, I am 33 old, and right now my hobby is listening music and English speaking and English book reading. So everything I like so much. Because actually I would like to share and with my journey, because I used to listen a lot music in my hometown, when I lived there with my parents. There was a lot option for the listening and improving, because actually a lot option for the learning and increasing enhance the vocabularies. But actually I'm so very excited at this time. But even then I have done oil only 12th, because actually I wanted to become in singer in life, but actually it's not possible. And that time was the very difficult, and that time was a very difficult in my life, because my parents had no money at that time, because I don't want to do anything in my future, because my family is very poor. My father job rejected in 2002. So after that suddenly I got more opportunity and responsibility, but actually I was not able to do anything in my life. But actually that time was very difficult in my future. Actually once day I sitting on the bed. Actually my father's the came near me, and my father asked me, what do you do in life? Because I told him, because dad, actually I wanted to be a singer in my life, because actually I have been thinking since childhood, because actually that time I used to listen a lot music and Bibit Bharti and FM, and there are a lot option for the listening music. But actually I like it a lot, so much at that time, because so many people told me his boy is very not as well, because the always listening music, and actually he didn't care for studies. And but actually that time I had a big antenna, I stayed at the long stayed in my home. So because there is the no electric facility there, and that time a lot uh, responsibility. I had a lots animals, the cow, buffaloes, and ox, so everything. So I used to go to field, and I cut the grass and bring my home. So and so I actually I used to feed grass to animals. And so after that I wake up early in the morning around 4 a.m. Then I went for go to other places for actually I used to the riyaz and music. And that time so was a lot listened music in the Kumar Shanu, Alka Yagnik, so a lots option, because actually I loved so much them, because since childhood my fathers the scold me, so why are you not interested in this work at home right now? Because uh, because my father job lived in from Mumbai 2002. And uh, he had come in my hometowns and living with family. So guys, we are very very sad in my life. It was very difficult in my life, but even then actually I will have my confident. I will do the work. I will support them, because so that. But even then, I'm so glad, happy today, so very very happy. No, I have left all as them. I don't think anything else. But this is my goal, is I want to become good English speaker in my future. Guys, kindly support me. I hope that you will support always. You are so great. Actually, graceful my life. But I want to suggest you guys, you are very interested in this English my video, please subscribe my channel so that you will get notification soon. So actually I'm making video, and these days on YouTube as well, Facebook, so that please support me guys. So love you and take care. We will meet you the next video guys. Bye. Love you so much.